morning. It is Sunday, February 5th. I think it's the 5th. I'm totally not sure, but we recorded a lot this weekend. So you guys have already all watched it, but it was honestly a great weekend. The raccoon was my favorite part, but we can go see that raccoon whenever we want, which is awesome to me. But this video took a lot of editing because I had to go through, and I didn't record like all the time like I wanted to. I just recorded special moments. Like, that was basically it. But once I get a full camera and a full vlogging or a full editing software, then I'll be good. But for now, it's just my phone and my computer, and it sucks. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell your friends, add me on Snapchat, add Mike on Snapchat, add us on Instagram, all that. See you guys. Alright, Mike, what are we doing today?
We're trying to get this thing running.
You think you can get it running?
Yeah, I think it'll start.
Only has about a pound of ice on it.
Oh, grass. There's grass around here somewhere.
Oh my god. Cheesy. Where's your battery?
Right here.
Oh.
Jesus, what?
Dude, this thing is so sick. I've never seen it with the hood up.
Too much money, man.
And you rebuilt it.
Like 3 times.
3 times.
I was about to say, I know it's been a bunch.
Alright, let's see what she does. I think it's still out of time.
I hope the door's not frozen.
Yeah, it'll be thawed up by now.
The one day we tried to take it was frozen. Aww. Didn't even need to jump it.
Oh, it wouldn't even crank last time I tried. I tried on like Wednesday. I probably should have checked the oil before I started it.
Check it now.
Now it's running. It's running now. It's probably building pressure anyway. Crank already.
Dude, I love this truck. What do you think, Chris?
I like it. It's my favorite.
Dude, I love it.
I'm gonna take it around the block too.
Oh, God.
And let it warm up a little bit.
Green truck green.
Green truck green, baby.
Oh, man. What year is this, Mike?
93.
What motor's in it?
5.7.
Bad.
Rebuilt 5.7. Tow truck cam. I did have an LT1 built for it with short tubes, but the guy who built it didn't tighten the heads down right in the proper order. Didn't do the torque specifications in the correct order either. So when he literally just tightened the heads down like this, you're supposed to tighten this side, tighten this side, tighten this side, tighten this side. Cocksucker.
I want to ski.
Hey.
Look at that thing. Like, where can we get one of those?
Borrow that for a minute.
Please?
Shit. No tire kickers, I know what I got. 7,000. OVO. Just needs the front fender.
Tyler, you want to buy it off of?
I'm good. Yeah, how much would you sell for right now if I would buy it? Like, if I were to come to you.
If you had money in your pocket and you wanted to actually talk, we'd talk. Probably not. I'd probably never.
You would never sell this truck. That's one thing. You probably would never sell it.
For 10 grand, you would.
I have more than 10 grand in it.
25.
25,000.
Yeah.
First of all, you'd be stupid to pay $25,000 for this truck.
Maybe at most 15.
But that would probably be around where I'd get rid of it for. But you'd be stupid to buy.
If anyone wants to buy Green Trek Green, 25,000.
25,000. Them buy me the same truck that's clean and done up. I won't have to do nothing more to it.
Oh, we've only fought with this thing for how many years?
I've only replaced half the frame, 3 motors, had the cab off, the bed off. It's been off the frame in every spot of the yard. Once it thaws, I'll show you. There's a dead spot here, a dead spot there, a dead spot over there, a dead spot over there, a dead spot over there, of all the places I've had this truck apart. Yep. My dream is to paint this truck again the way I want it, and then paint the boat the same color so I could tow the boat with this truck.
Where's the boat at? Right there. Oh man, it's gonna look good on the water this year.
It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good anywhere. I fucking just want to keep it warm.
You gonna take it for a spin a little bit, Mike?
I am.
Oh god. Oh man, it's a beautiful day. Where are we? Pennsylvania?
What?
Otherwhere.
Cold Pennsylvania.
Yeah, butt cold Pennsylvania. That's gonna be the new term. Butt cold Pennsylvania.
It just keeps snowing out the blue. That's what Pennsylvania
This snow
is.
does need to stop. Like, I'm not used to all this snow.
My feet are cold, they're wet.
Mine
Can't
aren't.
feel my toes at the time.
Buy a pair of steel toe.
I know, I have to on Monday. I gotta do it for my class.
Did you see my boots for my new job? Oh yeah, you were with us.
Yeah, I was with you when we bought a blaring speaker.
Oh my god. Mike, do you like that new speaker?
I love that new speaker.
It only makes the house shake.
I think rattled the house off the fucking floor.
Oh man. Hey, maybe he'll get off the road this time.
Nah.
I doubt it.
Attempt number 2.
Don't stall it again, you know?
Ow.
Give it the ham. Look at that sexy stud.
He's getting frisky going off that way. Oh my gosh. There he is. He's back.
He's not dead.
Huh? Oh yeah. Well,
Vacuum leak city and timing is off like a motherfucker. But it runs.
it runs. That's all we care.
I gotta get the 4-wheel drive off back up too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, they're 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. Hey, listen here, motherfucker.
Can we borrow those for a couple hours?
I should have never got rid of mine.
That would have been so much fun.
What is your problem?
Alright, where are we at, Mike?
We are at Walmart.
Did you say Walmart?
Wally World.
Jesus Christ.
Wow,
Get
God.
What are you doing?
Oh my
Why
god.
is Wally World so fucking busy today?
Get off the road, you fucking fool! What the fuck?
No.
How many fucking people are there?
Hey.
Okay, I guess I'll sit still for a minute. Jesus Christ.
Come on, why can't people?
Oh my God.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh my god.
No,
Mike, get
I'll
on the
rip my
balls.
fucking
Get on the
bumper.
balls. You don't have the balls.
I'll rip my bumper off.
Go around it, yeah.
I'm gonna go around and see how it is on the
This
side.
is why you should never take us three to Walmart or any store.
Why is it so busy today? Someone please.
Tyler, you're getting out in snow probably.
don't care.
Oh no, you're good. I'm not climbing. I'm not gonna be an asshole.
Well, who gives a fuck?
My lower fucking bumper valence.
You know what? Get a different bumper then.
Look at it. Look at Arissa's iris over there.
Come on.
Come on, get a little bit quicker. Come on. You're a dick for that.
I heard the window go down.
I was such an asshole doing it too.
Back in there.
Hey, so when do these come out? What the hell's that?
That is a Maverick. It used to be a car, but now it's a little stupid truck. That is even stupider.
That's what Tyler needs to drive.
That is more
That?
stupid in parts.
Yeah.
It's
Absolutely
electric.
not. No.
Boogie woogie woogie. Yes.
Boogie woogie
That's
woogie.
completely.
Wait, time out.
Yeah, why don't you say it?
Alright,
People
Chris.
actually deserve it.
Chris.
Wait, I'm like.
Oh, not my ID. I think my ID just showed. Alright, look.
Hi.
Here's $50. Go have fun.
Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
Go have fun. How much you spend, Mike?
$92. That looked like $92 worth of stuff.
Looks like more like
Not really.
maybe 60.
It's not like 50 or 60, if
Yeah.
that. Jesus God.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna go fill the truck up for another 110.
Alright, so me and Chris are at the gas station. Now sorry, my hair is bothering me. We're at the gas station because my gas light was literally on and I
It was
wasn't.
actually after E.
It was literally after E, like how it is right now. Like that. That's basically how it was whenever I was driving. That scared the crap out of me. But yeah, that was one of the scariest moments.
How many gallons is your tank?
12.
Really?
Yeah.
6. You're looking at almost $40 probably.
Yeah. Oh well.
That's actually not bad. Yeah, not too
I
bad.
mean, it's kind of nice. But... Alright, we're going back to Mike's once it's filled up.